Hello my friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan and today I'll be guiding you through a new warm-up. This is going to be 10 minutes long. Let's go ahead and dive right in. First up, we have arm swings. We're going to widen out our stance, bring our arms out, and breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth as we open up our chest and bring our arms in and out. Keep your head up. Go ahead and stop and bring your arms up and down. Here we go, 3 more seconds. We're moving on to a torso rotation next. We're going to stand with our feet nice and wide and turn. Right and left. Nice and gently. Focusing on breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. More seconds here, and we're moving forward to leg swings next. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. We're going to leg swings next. Find your stance and find your balance. Move your left leg with control, swinging it back and forth as you focus on breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Go ahead and stop. We're going to switch sides. Find your balance. Keep your core engaged and keep your head and your chest up. We have a couple of seconds left and we're moving into a hip rotation next. Go ahead and bring your left leg up and out and up and in. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Focus on your balance. Keep your core engaged. And again, keep your head and your chest up. We have 5 more seconds here. We're going into a jog in place. Here we go. Moving nice and light on our feet, getting our arms involved. We're jogging in place. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Keep your head and your chest up. We have 10 more seconds here. We're going into an imaginary jump rope next. Here we go, 3 more seconds. Here we go. We're bringing out our imaginary jump rope. Moving nice and light on our feet. Getting our wrists involved here. We breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. As we move with control through this jump rope. We have 10 seconds left and we're going into inchworms next. Here we go. 3 more seconds. 2, 1. We're going into inchworms. Slide bend at the knees, bring your palms down to the ground, walk them out into a high plank. Stack your hands directly below your shoulders. Bring it back in. Inhale as you come down. Exhale as you extend. Inhale as you retract. Exhale as you stand up. Focus on your breath. Last couple of seconds here. We're taking it back up. Finish up. 1 more rep. Good job. Next up, we're going into high knees. Left knee's coming up, right knee comes up. We're alternating sides. Breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Focus on your balance. Engage your core to get your knee up nice and high. 3 more seconds and we're going into an alternating standing toe tap. Widen out the stance of your feet, bring your hands up. Inhale. Left hand comes to your left foot. Right hand, left hand to right foot. Bring your hand to your opposite foot. Inhale on your way down. Exhale on your way up. 10 more seconds here. We're going to finish this up with some steam engines for our last exercise. Coming up, let's go. Bring your feet or your hands behind your head, knees up, coming to opposite elbow. Engage your core. Focus on your steam engine. Focus on your balance. Breathe in to get your knee up nice and high and engage your core. 5 more seconds here. Great job, my friends. Go ahead and take a 30-second rest. We'll meet here for round 2 of our warm-up. Great job. Welcome back, my friends. Again, we're going to start from the top with those same 10 exercises. Let's go ahead and begin again with arm swings. Bring your arms out, bring them in. Let's go ahead and begin. Inhale, exhale. Swing those arms, get your chest open, get your blood flowing. This is the second round of our warm-up. Take this at your own pace. We have 10 seconds left. Let's go ahead and go up and down. Last couple of seconds and we're going into a torso rotation. Here we go, widening out the stance of your feet. Hands come out in front of you. We go right and left. Breathing in through our nose, out through our mouth. Keep our core engaged here as we rotate our torso between right and left. We've got about 5 seconds left here. We're going to be moving on to leg swings next. Here we go. Find your balance. Left leg comes up and back. Keep your core engaged. Go ahead and stop. Switch sides. Right leg this time forward and back. Focus on your balance. Keep your head and your chest up. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Last couple of seconds. Here we go. Hip rotations next. Left leg comes out and in. Inhale, exhale. Engage your core to get that knee up nice and high. Keep your head and your chest up. We have about 10 seconds left here. We're moving on to jogging in place. Here we go, last 3 seconds. Here we go. We're jogging in place, getting our arms involved here. Focus on keeping your head and your chest up. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. We have 10 seconds left here. We're going to our imaginary jump rope. Here we go, 5 more seconds. Here we go. Bring out our jump rope. Move nice and light on your feet. Get those wrists involved. Keep your head and your chest up. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Keep the core nice and engaged. Move nice and light on your feet. We have 5 seconds left here. We're taking it down to the ground for some inchworms. Here we go. Slide bend at the knees. Walk the palms down to the ground. Extend to a high plank. Keep your core engaged and return. Focus on your balance on your way down. Hands stacked directly below your shoulders when you're in your high plank. And inch back up. Last 10 seconds here. Focus on your breath. We're stepping it up and we're going into our high knees next. We're going to go ahead, bring left knee up, right knee up. Inhale, exhale. Focus on engaging your core here. That's key to get that knee up nice and high. We have 10 seconds left here. Moving forward to our alternating standing toe taps. Next, in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Widen your stance. Arms come out and we go left hand to right foot. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Move with control. This is to get our lower back nice and warmed up. Last 10 seconds here. And we're moving on to our steam engines for the last exercise of our second round. Here we go. Bring your hands behind your ears. Here we go. Steam engine with control. Last 20 seconds. Focus on your balance. Keep your core nice and engaged. Nice crunch, bringing that elbow to your knee. Last 10 seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Great job, my friends. That concludes this short warm-up. Hope you enjoyed this video. Today, we are at Cannon Beach in Oregon, and I hope you enjoyed this beautiful sight. Have a wonderful day, my friends. Thank you for watching.